In recent times, the world order for chess is changing as India has 7 players in the top 25 in the juniors category, which clearly shows the power is shifting towards India. The origin of chess is an age-old controversy, but it is believed that the game originated from India and took different shapes and finally was called chess. With modern chess turned into a tool of geopolitical importance in the early 19th century, Europe was the powerhouse of chess, but Asian countries are changing the landscape of chess, especially India. Chess was originated in India, and yet the major part of the chess history, Europe was the powerhouse of the game. But with young Indians taking the game in early stage, the powerhouse is slowly shifting towards Asia, especially India. India has 7 junior players in the top 25 in the world in terms of junior rankings and 16 in the top 100. This clearly shows that India is dominating the chess world. India has 2 women players in top 10. The sensational Humpy Cunero is currently ranked 3rd in the world. These are the 7 junior category players who are in the top 25 in the world. International Chess Federation is the governing body for the chess, and it bifurcates ranking in 3 disciplines, which are Blitz, Rapid and Standard games. Further, there are 4 categories of players where they are ranked on the basis of their ratings, which are Open, Women, Juniors and Girls. The Open category is where all the players are there, be it women, men, juniors or girls. Now we will look at the 3 different disciplines of chess as they have differences with respect of the timings. Currently, Magnus Carlsen from Norway is the number 1 chess player in the world with a rating of 2861. A Blitz game is one where all the moves must be made in a fixed time of less than 15 minutes for each player. A Rapid play game is one where either of the all moves must be made in a fixed time of at least 15 minutes but less than 60 minutes for each player. Standard chess games are defined by the International Chess Body as being chess games where each player's thinking time is at least 60 minutes. In 1988, he became the first Grandmaster from India and is in the elite club of players who have surpassed an ELO rating of 2800. He has also won the World Championship 5 times and was the number 1 chess player for a time period of 21 months. After World Champion, the highest title that a chess player can get is a Grandmaster title, and achieving this takes years. To be a Grandmaster, one should achieve an ELO rating of above 2500 with 3 norms. To bring things into perspective, there are millions of chess players around the world, in which over 800 players only have the Grandmaster title. To bring things into perspective, there are millions of chess players around the world, in which over 1800 players only have the Grandmaster title. And currently in India, there are 64 Grandmasters. India is also ranked 4th in the federation list with an average top 10 player rating of 2667. With more understanding of chess, the nature of the game changed, as mathematical and algorithmic approach was being used for the chess theory. Computers began to compete with humans in the late 1960s but were not very effective. In the late 19th century, an IBM computer named Deep Blue ended the dominance of Soviet players. In 1997, Deep Blue's win over Garry Kasparov was the first incident where a machine defeated a sitting world champion. Today, the chess softwares have developed so much that the best human players are unable to challenge them, thus making the computer invincible. Chess is a game that needs mental exercise, and if a child is exposed to chess in the early stages of life, then it can have a very good effect on childhood. Chess helps in improving concentration and memory. It enhances children's reading skills and math skills. It also develops logic, critical thinking and creativity. Chess encourages and rewards hard work, and it also helps children to realize the consequences of their actions.